In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to Amazon wishlist. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a product you love and save it to the right list so you can revisit it later, compare options, or share it with others. First, open your browser and head to w.amazon.com. For this to work smoothly, make sure you're signed into your Amazon account so your lists appear. If you're on a phone or tablet, the process is the same whether you use the app or a mobile browser. I'll describe it in a way that works on both. Next, use the search bar at the top to look for the item you want. Type a clear keyword or product name, then press enter. You can narrow things down with filters like price, brand, average customer rating, or delivery options. Take a moment to scan the results and pick the listing that best matches what you need. Now, select an item to open its product page. This page has all the details you'll want to confirm before you save it: price, delivery estimates, seller information, and customer reviews. If the product has variations, like size, color, or capacity, choose the exact option you prefer here. Selecting these details now helps ensure the correct version is saved to your list. Scroll until you see the Add to List option. On desktop, it's typically near the Add to Cart and Buy Now buttons on the right side of the page. On mobile, you may see Add to List beneath the main purchase buttons, or you might find a heart icon that performs the same action. If it's tucked behind a menu, look for a small drop-down or 3 dots to reveal it. When you click or tap Add to List, you'll be prompted to select which list to use. Pick your default wish list, or choose another list if you've organized items by category, like gift ideas or for the home. If you prefer, you can create a new list on the spot and name it something meaningful. Then set its privacy to private, shared, or public, depending on how you intend to use it. You can often add a quick note, like the size you want or why you're saving it, to make future decisions easier. You should see a brief confirmation message that the item was added. That's it. Your product is now safely saved. Later, you can open your lists from the top menu to review, sort, or share your wish list, adjust privacy, or remove items as your plans change. This simple workflow makes it easy to track ideas, compare options, and be ready when it's time to buy or share with friends and family.